Isn't it beautiful out here? It's a little windy. My apologies for that. Hi, it's John. Believe it or not, in about 3.5, 4 weeks or so, it will be the first day of spring. The Spring Equinox arrives on March the 20th. And if you are an ICF coach or in a helping profession of any kind and would like to join me at the Saunders Finger Lakes Museum in Yates County, New York, we'll be having a live experiential workshop designed to leverage nature and the natural world in how we lead ourselves and how we lead others. I hope that you'll plan to join me. More information is available down below in the comments. Have a great rest of your day and enjoy the rest of winter. See you soon.